Cherries are not only one of the most nutritious fruits, but they also rank as one of the most health-protective foods overall. 1 cup, or about 21 cherries, includes less than 100 calories and 15% of your daily vitamin C needs. Antioxidants. Cherries are a potent source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These cellular bodyguards slow down aging and ward off chronic diseases including heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, diabetes, and obesity. Diabetes. Cherries rank lower than many fruits on the glycemic index, which indicates they don't trigger spikes and crashes in your blood sugar and insulin levels. This makes them both protective against diabetes. Healthy sleep. Tart cherries in particular are one of the few food sources of melatonin, a hormone that helps control your sleep-wake cycles. One study in men and women with insomnia found that compared to a placebo. 8 ounces of tart cherry juice in the morning and again 1 to 2 hours before bed improves sleep time by an hour and 24 minutes. Arthritis relief. Several analyses have indicated that cherry consumption is useful for osteoarthritis sufferers, regularly including cherries or 100% cherry juice in your meal or snack routine may help lessen your joint pain. Cholesterol. Research has revealed that drinking tart cherry juice can help lower total cholesterol, including the bad type, known as LDL. Post-exercise pain. Cherries can make that post-heat workout soreness less intense. They also protect against the cellular wear and tear from exercise, and help support muscle recovery. There's nothing like a bowl of fresh cherries when they're in season, but that's not the only way to embrace their nutritional perks. Look for frozen cherries, freeze-dried powders, 100% tart cherry juice, and preservative-free dried cherries.